Hey y'all, welcome to my channel and happy holidays. If you haven't been here before, my name is Melissa. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with the Give Me Glow Sweet and Sticky palette. This came out on Black Friday. Really pretty palette. We're going to try this out, see what we think about it, do a little look, and if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm going to take off my glasses. I did my brows with the Joa Brow Pencil in Ebony, and I actually prime my eyes with the Alamar Cosmetics Pero Primero Primer. I think that's how you say it. And I have a little bit of my medicated chapstick on for my lips being all chapped. Alright, we're going to get into the Sweet and Sticky palette. And first I'm going to go into Dim Buns Dough right here. And I'm going to put that in my crease as my transition shade. So as I said, this came out on Black Friday. And they also had a release of another palette's Vivid Rose, which is the sister to Vintage Rose. I ordered that as well, but they sent me Vintage Rose instead. So I tried to email them and I haven't heard anything back yet. So we'll see what happens with that. But it took them forever to get out this. I don't think with how many people they have working that it was a good idea to put everything out all at once. Alright, now I'm going to go into 375, this little bit deeper brown. I'm going to put that in my outer V as well as a little bit into my crease. And I'm just using a Sigma E27, E25 for this. Now I'm going to take They See Me Rolling and I'm going to put that in my outer corner, my outer V. And I'm using a ColourPop E27. Alright, now I'm going to take Sweet Cinnamon Latte and I'm going to put that in the middle of my lid. And now I'm taking Icing Drip and I'm going to put that on the inner half of my lid. Alright, I'm taking a cotton round, some micellar water, and I'm just going to clean up my edges here. And some of, I think that darker shade might have had a little bit of fallout. For primer, I'm just going to use this Fourth Ray Strawberry and Papaya Face Milk. This stuff smells really good. Alright, I'm going to take the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation in the shade, I'm not sure, my sticker came off. Oh, 410 Ivory. Blend that out with my BK Beauty 101 brush. And for concealer, I'm taking the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Concealer in C3. And I'm going to dot that on my under eyes. I'm going to blend that out with my concealer brush. I just set my concealer with the number 7 Lift and Illuminate powder in light. And now I'm going to take the ColourPop Coconut Beach Pressed Powdered Bronzer. For blush, I'm going to use the ColourPop Hello Kitty and Friends Bundled Up Pressed Powdered Cheek. And I didn't get this whole collection. I actually just got both of the blushes. And I got the palette and the lip gloss for my daughter for Christmas. So I didn't want to get 2 of them to review them. So I just got it for her for Christmas. She'll use it more than I will anyways. And I'm going to take the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in Seismic. I'm going on my cheekbones. Going over my brow, over the other brow, down my nose, and a little on the chin. Alright, I'm going to take 375 and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. And I'm going to take the ColourPop Creme Shadow or Creme Gel Liner in Juniper. I'm going to put that in my waterline. And I'm going to put icing drip in my inner corner. That's the same thing that's in my on my inner lid. I'm going to hop off here, throw on my Thrive Cosmetics mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright, now for lips, I'm going to try out this Nars Afterglow Lip Balm and Orgasm. I got this in a little set from Sephora. I've had it for a little bit. I'm going to take the Max Prep and Prime Fix Plus Setting Spray. Alright, well this is the final look using the Gimme Glow Sweet and Sticky palette. I really love the way the look turned out. I think everything really performed well for me. And the mattes blended out well. The shimmers glided on super creamy. The only one I didn't use is this Let's Get Baked shade up here, which I could have used to blend out up on this part, but I didn't even think about it. I really do like the color story. It's kind of just right up my alley, the way that I do my eyeshadow with lighter shade in the crease, medium shade in the outer corner and crease, and then the deeper shade to deepen up the outer corner with two shimmers, one in the middle and the lighter one on the inner lid. It just really goes well with how I do my eyeshadow. So I love the color story. It feeds into my basic girl heart. And the packaging, it's really simple but cute. So I really like this palette. I think it's a good palette. I didn't have any problems with it at all. But I also love this blush that I use. The Bundled Up blush is really, really cute. I love the color that it put on my cheeks. The pink, but not too pink. Just kind of that peachy pink color that just makes me look like I've been outside and I've gotten a little cold. So, and I do think that this eye primer helps with my eyeshadows too. I'm really enjoying this eye primer. It might be one that goes into the ones I kind of, well, I say switch up, but I always use the Sigma. But these three are kind of the ones that I enjoy the most. Or these two I enjoy the most, and I think this one might be making it into those ranks. So I'm enjoying that. I think it's doing well with keeping my eyeshadow on and making it more vibrant and just more beautiful. But anyways, I really love this look and I'm enjoying the palette. I hope you like the look and enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me today. I hope you are staying happy, staying healthy, taking care of yourselves, and I hope you have a great rest of the day as well as a wonderful and happy holidays. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye y'all.